Hello guys, what's my video? So today we're gonna playing at Tower. So subscribe and follow some of my videos so channel. Make sure to subscribe and also hit on notification. So I'm going to beat that game. So otherwise I'm lagging, but I can't even beat it because I wanted to beat that. Because I can't. Okay guys. I can just use the ship block I think guys. Okay, be careful guys. I think it's be careful. Okay guys, be careful guys. I think I don't one. We're almost there. Okay, so like and subscribe guys. I think we're about to, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm about to win guys. I don't wanna fall guys. I think I don't wanna fall because I keep lagging so much. Because I am so blind because I will just keep on just playing that game. And also subscribe now and also like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to beat that the entire game. How can I do it? No, this one. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, how about the Rainbow Tower? I actually just wanted to play Rainbow Tower thing, guys. I wanted to beat that game. So, guys, let me just beat that game, guys, right? So, let me know in the comments. Beat the game. Let's beat. What's that? I have Bachelor. Okay, that's good. I think, bro. What the hell? Bro, I think I'm lagging. Okay. I'm still lagging. Bro, I can't even. Do not lag. Do not lag, guys. I think do not lag. Do not lag. Okay. Come on. What? How? Oh my god, stop lagging. What? That's the tower. Start the tower. Okay. No, how could I'm stuck. I'm stuck on this annoying thing. I'm stuck on this annoying player. I think I like this. I think I like this game for a while. I think I like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey player, what are you doing? You're trying to throw me or not? You're trying me or else I'll leave. Stop! Stop lagging. See, oopsie now. Oopsie. Oh my god, it's easy. I think I'm about to choose whatever I want. Oh wait, this orange. This orange. What? Wait. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Ouch. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm about to die, guys. Okay, let me just. What's that? Okay, this sparkle. Trying to beat that, I guess. Okay, I'm going to beat the now. So this me, I wanna first. I wanna win first. Oh! Oh my god, I'm about to die. What's wrong? Oh, B. Oh, B. Oh, B. Oh my god, this one. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm going to win guys. I need to win first, I guess. This tower is good. Let's go. Rainbow Tower. Rainbow Tower again guys. Yep. This one. Yes. This one like KFC Tower. I like KFC in McDonald's. So anyways, I wanted to beat that game constantly. What? 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 Oh. Check it out. Okay. How can I do it? Okay, I can just do just touching invisible wall or invisible stairs. Shake my bubble, be say, this me. Oh my god. Hey, player, watch out, player, or else I'll leave. One more then I'm going to leave. Watch out, okay? Watch out. Let me just beat that game, okay? Watch out. I know, watch out. Watch out. One more then I'll go to leave. Okay, so anyways, they even control me, I think. They didn't even troll me at the rainbow stairs, I think. So let me know in counts. What's that? Oh, this one, yellow. I don't know. Oh god, this is me, I was wanted to win first. Thing. Rainbow, this the rainbow. Red and blue, I guess. Red and blue. Roses are red, violets are blue. Because I like this game. Royal. Stop lagging. No. How can I do it? I win. Where did I win? Yes, I win. Oh my god, I win. Let's throw player, guys. one. Aldrin wants OAG OMG. Clear award. Yay! I have to. You silly. Ha 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 ha. Let's troll player. Let's troll player. Okay, goodbye.